Did you know that implementing lean principles can lead to productivity improvements of 20–30%? Yet many organizations struggle to fully embrace and benefit from lean methodologies. Many businesses grapple with inefficient processes, excessive waste, and long lead times, impacting their competitiveness and profitability. This lack of a systematic approach to eliminating waste and improving efficiency can result in higher costs and reduced customer satisfaction. At an individual level, employees often feel frustrated by cumbersome processes that hinder their productivity. Teams may struggle with inconsistent work practices and difficulty in identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities. This certification course addresses these challenges by providing comprehensive training in lean principles and practices. It equips participants with the tools and techniques to identify waste, streamline processes, and create a culture of continuous improvement. By taking this course, individuals will learn to apply lean tools such as value stream mapping, 5S, Kaizen, and Kanban. They'll develop skills in identifying the 8 wastes, implementing pull systems, and fostering a lean mindset throughout the organization. For organizations, the impact is transformative. They'll see improved efficiency, reduced costs, shorter lead times, and enhanced quality. This leads to increased competitiveness, improved customer satisfaction, and better financial performance. On a personal level, participants will gain a highly valued certification that enhances their professional credibility and career prospects. Teams will benefit from a shared understanding of lean principles, leading to more effective collaboration and problem-solving. Ready to transform your organization into a model of efficiency and continuous improvement? Don't miss this opportunity to become a certified lean practitioner. Enroll now and learn to eliminate waste, streamline processes, and drive your organization toward operational excellence.